Happy 2019, you guys. Hope you are all doing fantastic. All right, let's jump right into it. Find a comfortable seated or lying down position and take a deep inhale and exhale through your mouth. Gently close your eyes or whatever makes you feel comfortable. Deep inhale. Hold it for 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Breathe out of your mouth. Deep inhale. And exhale. Release. Now focus your energy on your nostrils and become aware of your inhale and your exhale. Take a moment to realize how truly blessed you are to have the time to meditate and to give yourself this time of sacred bliss. Deep inhale and exhale. As we step into 2019, we are stepping into manifestation and to truly manifest all our desires and things that we want, such as abundance, health, prosperity, beautiful relationships into our lives. Deep inhale and exhale. Before we tap into manifestation and drawing in the type of energy and people we want in our lives, we first must do the inner work. We must first align our body, mind, and spirits, so then when we embody this positive, radiant energy, and it just exudes right back into our nature. Deep inhale. And release, exhale. Every time you inhale, I want you to really think about gravitating towards positive energy and letting in all the good that we want in our lives. And when we exhale, I want you to envision us letting go of energy that no longer serves us. Stress, anxiety, fear, any doubt and worries. All right, deep inhale. Breathe in all that good prana and exhale, release. Deep inhale and release. Take this time to thank your body for all the things that it does throughout the day, for your heart for beating without you even asking it to beat, for your healthy blood cells to keep you healthy and vibrant, to keep your immune system in check. Thank your body as it is our temple in this space, in this reality. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Deep inhale and exhale. Take this moment to forgive ourselves. Maybe we haven't taken care of our body or being nice to it or being gentle with ourselves. Maybe we haven't been fueling our body with the most optimal nutrition. Take this time to forgive and forgive yourself and say, it's okay. I love you and I will treat you with respect. Recognize that this body is a vehicle to help us navigate throughout this lifetime, to manifest the dreams of our desires, to be with our ideal partner. This body is the magnet that will allow you to attract all your dreams and your desires. So it is important for us to take care of it and to honor it and respect it. Take a deep inhale and exhale, release. Take a moment and forgive all those people who have done us wrong. Forgive and release any tension, any fears, any anxiety. Clear your karma. Clear any bad relationships or any hiccups. This is your chance to make amends, to not bring baggage to 2019. Deep inhale and exhale, release. In order for us to manifest, we must let go. We must let go of what no longer serves us. We must let go of our fears, our doubts, and our thoughts that no longer serve our highest vision. Take this time to release, to let go of any bad habits, and take this moment to thank yourself, to give your time and space to now. Thank yourself for allowing yourself to feel peace, allowing yourself to be in your body, to allow yourself to be at ease. Deep inhale and exhale. Recognize that anything that is bothering you, whether it's in the future or past, you can let go of now and step into the present moment. Recognize that when you're calm, you can better make decisions out of love and not fear. Deep inhale, hold, and exhale. Recognize that everything that you're going through is exactly perfect for you. The universe is gearing you and leading you towards a specific direction to teach you lessons and to allow you to connect with like-minded beings. We're all in this together. We're here to learn from each other, to remind each other of love. Only love is real. Everything else is just an illusion. Deep inhale and exhale. Feel your face relax. All tension is relaxed. Your mind is relaxed. Your body is relaxed. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. Deep inhale and exhale. Remind yourself of what this feels like. To be present and to be fully at peace. This is when creation is manifested. This is when we are our most creative and our creative juices are flowing because we are at ease. This is when love is created, when we are at peace with ourselves and with other people. The beauty of life is to recognize that we are all mirrors of each other, and we are all reminders of the light that is within all of us. You don't have to seek anything without. Everything is already within you. All that the universe wants you to experience is within you. No material possessions. You are already whole. You are enough. You are beautiful. You are radiant. Deep inhale and exhale. When we recognize that we have everything and all that is within, may we know peace. May we not harm other beings. May we be mindful with our thoughts and our words and our actions. Deep inhale and exhale. May we be mindful of our actions and align our actions with our higher purpose, love. May you know that anything is possible. Anything you want to do in the world is possible, but you first must believe it. You must align your body, your full mind, body, and spirit. You have to align every cell in your body to believe that it is possible. And when you align, when you actually believe it, you start embodying it. You start acting and taking action towards those steps. You start creating mindful habits that help you create the ripple effect to manifest your desires. And this is when inner confidence comes within. When you believe, you start acting as if, and you start attracting the right people into your lives. The right opportunities open with ease, and you flow into them prepared because you've been taking action. Deep inhale and exhale. When we align ourselves to what we truly desire, we attract the right opportunities and everything flows. But first, we must first align, and our intentions must be pure. It must not be for ego's sake, but rather for the higher self and for the greater humanity. Take this moment to envision what you would like to create for 2019. Who would you like to be? What would you like to create? Who would you like to be surrounded by? What would you like to give to the world and share with the world? Recognize that your gifts and your talents are needed into the world. People are waiting for you to give your gift. When we are in alignment and we are giving and we are here to serve, then everything is in flow and you're in perfect divine focus flow. Take a deep breath and exhale. See it, believe it, embody it, align, take the actions, and be ready to receive, because it is already yours. Deep inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Slowly wiggle your hands. Slowly open your eyes. And smile as you're so blessed. If you enjoyed this meditation, I ask that you share it with your friends and family, like this video. And if you want me to make more of these videos, let me know in the comments. If this has brought you joy and bliss and peace, I am so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for taking the time out to share this time with me and yourself. Sending you so much love. Sending lots of love, Charles. Blessed day. Thank you.